Hey everybody, this is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. And in this video, I just want to give you a little information about our series of cheat sheets we've created for either a full set of plans or a particular scope of work. And this is the cheat sheet for finished carpentry. And this is our initial part. We'll come back to that. And here we have just some symbols and plan notes. Okay, what you would see on a typical set of plans, just some things for you to go through. If this is for someone who's new to either estimating or even the trade of finished carpentry. Some of this stuff you may find useful. So, symbols and plan notes, key calculations for different items that you install, quick reference notes for also different things that you work on a daily basis, and then a self test to see how well you do know the particular technical information about your scope. And there are the answers there. Well, what I would like for you to do is just use it, review it, and see if you find it useful. And most importantly, if there's anything else you could use that you find you need on a daily basis but don't have access to, or things that you need to do but it takes too long to do it. Make sure you email me at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com. I'll reach back out and we'll see how we can make this better and more relevant for you. Also, remember you can also reach out. I do one-on-one classes, workshops, and through Intern Academy, you can work with me on your schedule that we create for you over a year, and you just tell me what the particulars are, what you want to learn and become very good at, and I create content, tests, quizzes, essays, and a lot of content to make sure that happens and you pass every one of those tests. So reach out, whether you're creating your own estimates, needing someone to do it for you. But our goal here is to give you the tools you need to be the best you can in your trade. This is Stacy. Reach out at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com. See you soon.